start with a brief about the solutions you're showcasing at GITEX this year. What kind of products and solutions are you focusing on?
One of the main products we have today is the Integrated Operation Center. Basically, what does it do? It helps the dispatching center, the call taking from the operator, and it helps into optimizing the information around the call taker to dispatch the patrol to certain locations in the city. So it helps classifying the incidents, whether it's important, severe, minor, and then allocate the appropriate resources in that vicinity to that incident. So the whole objective of this software or this integrated solution is to reduce the response time and helps optimize the service given to the citizens and the residents of the city.
What sort of role does critical communications play in this part of the market? Because we have COVID situation happening right now. There's a lot of fear as well.
Yes.
What kind of role does critical communication play?
With the current circumstances, with the COVID-19 all over the world, the need for critical communication has increased because it helps the first responders and the specialized law enforcement people to fast respond to certain incidents. So we felt that there is a strong need for specialized communication and smart solution, which will help the law enforcement agencies, the specialized responders to react in a timely manner to those specific incidents, whether it's going to be a fire, accident, and so on, or even a health situations.
In terms of challenges that people, companies may face,
Yes.
Law enforcement, for example, they may face in terms of communications. How does Ishara come into the whole picture and help them with those solutions?
Okay, Ishara basically is is a system integrator, where we look at the customer needs when it comes to in-building solutions, when it comes to security cameras, when it comes to preparing a command and control center for the decision maker to take accurate decisions in a fast manner. This involves having the right input of information and the right tools to filter the information, to know what is important, what is to focus on, what is not to focus on. So we play a role into helping decision makers, whether they are in the law enforcement, whether in public services, and so on, to utilize these solutions, these tools, to better serve the residents and the citizens of the city.
Okay. So in terms of your focus areas for 2021, what would be your focus areas? What were the key learnings from 2020 and how will you use those to better your services for 2021?
One of the main challenges with what happened with the COVID-19 is basically the need for specialized communication and the need for smart solutions. This happens only with the involvement of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And this is what we are proposing to our customer, is that we have solutions of security cameras which can embed as well some sort of thermal imaging. And with that you have an artificial intelligence machine learning which can detect the behavior of people and then look at certain abnormal or certain anomalies in behavior and then recommend or flag that to the operator. This increases the efficiency of the operator because usually people get distracted looking at multi-screens.
Yeah.
But when you have the aid of technology, when you have the aid of artificial intelligence, this makes the efficiency even better. And this is where we are taking the shift to involving artificial intelligence, enabling machine learning, okay, through allowing it to absorb that huge data, and this will allow the end customer to perform in a very exceptional way, whether under any challenges, whether it's pandemic or not.
Okay. Thank you for speaking to Urban Reseller. It was nice chatting with you.
Thank you very much.